Namaste, welcome to sisrekhaskitchen.com. Today I am making pineapple salsa. It is a spicy and sweet Mexican dish that everybody can love. Pineapples are very delicious, low in calorie but high in nutrients. To make pineapple salsa, I have a bowl of fresh cut pineapple. If you don't have fresh pineapple, you can use frozen pieces. Finely chopped cilantro or coriander leaves, finely chopped onion, finely chopped jalapeno pepper. If you don't have jalapeno pepper, you can use green chili. Some pomegranate seeds. I also have some pink Himalayan salt. Take a clean bowl and add all the ingredients. Fresh pineapple, cilantro or coriander leaves, onion, green chili or jalapeno pepper, pomegranate seeds. Add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Give it a good mix so that the flavors of cilantro and the spiciness of jalapeno peppers will get into all the ingredients. Pineapple reduces the risk of cancer. It is a rich source of vitamin C and antioxidants. Pineapple is a very good source of digestive enzymes. I like to add some fresh tomato in my salsa. Some people don't like it, so it is just your preference. I like it, so I added. It gives more color anyway. Garnish with some more pomegranate seeds. Enjoy the fresh pineapple salsa. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And for more healthy recipes, check out my website at sisrekhaskitchen.com.